All right, now it's time for your Insurance 101 guys segment. Talking about peace of mind and talking about choices. I do want to share with you something that happened to me recently, and I do want to share some testimonies. First thing is uninsured motorist protection. You absolutely need it, and you absolutely need to have it, and you need to have enough limits. You cannot have more uninsured motorist coverage than liability. Think about that. So uninsured motorist covers you and people in your car. So you can't say, I want $500,000 of coverage, but I only want to insure other people for $1,530, state minimum. You've got to insure other people first. It's a pure giver's gain philosophy. If you want if you want $500,000, you need to give other people $500,000. So when that happens, if you're hit by somebody and they don't have enough insurance or they don't have any at all, which is 1 out of 3 accidents on the road today. There's literally 3 accidents happening every day in Sacramento, like actual collisions with, at least 2 or more vehicles.
Wow.
1 in 3 does not have insurance or they don't have enough to cover the damages. That is a staggering result. And guess what? You can't control that. You can't control what other people do with their insurance policy, unfortunately, unless you have them call me and then I'll get them good coverage. But that's not the case. So get enough uninsured motorists, because guess what? You don't want to be that person that underinsures other people as well, right? Because when you don't have enough insurance, then they sue you and garnish your wages and seize your bank accounts and take your assets. So get enough uninsured motorists, because guess what? Sometimes they will pay you for pain and suffering and loss of wages.
Peace of mind, guys. Peace of mind.
And that's exactly my topic right there. Quality and peace of mind. It's funny that every single person that has ever contacted me for insurance, 99.9% of them have said, I want to save money, obviously. How do I save the money? I'm a broker. I shop the market, and I can compare different companies all at once. That's great. But how do I really save people money? I don't save them. I don't care how much I save them on the front end. I do, and I save them a lot, but that's not my point. My purpose is not to save people money on the front end. My purpose is to save them money on the back end. Because if you don't have enough insurance, you're paying tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars when you're in an accident. Okay? Yeah, I can save you the $500 now, but it's not important if and when you get hit or you're in an accident.
You're talking about health. They're talking about...
And you don't have enough insurance.
Quality of life, guys.
Yeah. I have too many examples of friends in my life, and it is not biased because I'm an insurance broker. I'm just talking about friends of mine that have been hit by somebody, or that have, they dropped their phone or their coffee on their lap and they accidentally hit somebody in their first accident in their whole life, and they don't have enough insurance. Or there are some scenarios where they had great insurance because they're my clients, which has been great. But my purpose is to get people the right coverage, and within that, find them the best deal. So when I see somebody's deck pages and they've got 1530 with, at best $20 a day on rental car and no med pay, I laugh and I say, I don't want to save you money from what you have now. I mean, I do, but I want to add 100, 300 liability and uninsured motorists with $5,000 in med pay and, $40 a day for a rental car. Do you really want a Kia hatchback? You drive a Mercedes. No, you don't. Get the right coverage, and then I will save you money. And that's my purpose. I'm here to protect you guys. I'm not here to just save you a penny, because it really doesn't matter now. It matters later. And especially when I preface it with uninsured motorist, you can't control that. So give me a call, 510-861-1541. That's 510-861-1541. I'm passionate about insurance. Go to my website and find out more about me, bengodinez.com.